Top 18. Excellent timepiece. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Top 17. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone stainless steel case with a grey rubber band. Automatic movement watch. Water resistance depth is 150 meters or 500 feet. Top 16. Atom shape round display tap analog. Clasp deployment clasp. Case diameter 41.5 millimeters. Water resistant depth is 500 feet. Top 15. Blue dial anti-magnetic feature. 60-hour power reserve. Sapphire crystal back case. Polished with brushed stainless steel case and bracelet. Water resistance depth is 150 meters or 500 feet. Top 14. Silver dial chronograph feature. Self-winding automatic chronometer movement. Sapphire crystal case back. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal watch. Water resistance depth is 150 meters. Case diameter is 43 millimeters. Top 13. Atom shape round. Dial window media tap scratch resistant. Anti-reflective sapphire. Display tap analog. Clasp deployment clasp. Case material stainless steel. Water resistant depth is 300 meters. Top 12. Swiss made teak silver dial. Index hour markers date feature. Anti-magnetic feature 55-hour power reserve. Self-winding automatic chronometer movement. Vibrations per hour is 25,200. Water resistance depth is 150 meters or 500 feet. Top 11. Self-winding automatic master chronometer movement. "60-hour power reserve". Unique directional rotating bezel. Water resistance depth is 600 meters or 2000 feet. Black dial date feature. helium escape value, anti-magnetic feature, brushed with polished stainless steel case. Top 10. Stainless steel case and bracelet. Case diameter is 43.5 millimeters. Transparent case back. Self-winding automatic coaxial movement. 60-hour power reserve. Water resistance depth is 603 meters. Top 9. Water resistance depth is 600 meters or 2000 feet. 60-hour power reserve, self-winding movement. Top 8. Black dial enhanced by luminous rose gold hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a black rubber band. Automatic movement watch. Water resistance depth is 300 meters. Unidirectional rotating bezel function. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal watch. Transparent case back. Top 7. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel with black PVD. Black dial with silver tone hands and index hour markers. Minute marker around the outer rim. Water resistant to 165 feet. Top 6. Case diameter is 44 millimeters. 60-hour power reserve. Self-winding watch. The watch itself is fantastic, gorgeous dial. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Top 5. Anti-magnetic automatic watch. Bi-directional rotating bezel chronometer. Limited edition screw and crown. Transparent case back. Water resistance is 30 bar or 300 meters. Case diameter is 41 millimeters. Dial color black. Top 4. Automatic watch bi-directional rotating bezel function. Chronometer, helium escape value. Master chronometer, certified screw and crown. Titanium transparent case back. Water resistance to 200 meters. Case diameter is 55 millimeters. Dial color black. Top 3. Blue dial enhanced by plated skeleton hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Automatic movement. Water resistance depth is 300 meters. Unidirectional rotating bezel function. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal watch. Transparent case back. with orange accents. Black ceramic bezel date feature. Chronograph feature helium escape valve. Anti-magnetic feature 60-hour power reserve. Self-winding automatic master chronometer movement. Vibrations per hour is 28,800. Brushed with polished stainless steel case. Black rubber strap with nylon outer lining and orange accents. Water resistance depth is 600 meters or 2000 feet. Top 1. Omega caliper coaxial movement watch. Sapphire crystal exhibition case bag. Brown leather strap with crocodile pattern. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal watch. Water resistant depth is 150 meters.